Welcome back to my channel. Today I made all these beautiful things you see here. I'm so excited to show them to you. I love them. So let's just get right into the video and I hope you enjoy it. So starting off, I just have this wreath that I got from the Dollar Tree. It's the smaller one and I wanted it to look kind of like the wreaths that are made of like sticks. I don't know what you call them. They're brown, so I painted this one brown just because I didn't want the tan color peeking through the leaves, and that's the only reason why I painted it brown. You can leave it that color or paint it another color, whatever you want to do, but that's the reason why I painted it. And I just used the antique chalk paint. To me it's like a dirt color, like a brown. I really like it. So that's why I use that. Then after it dried, I thought, oh, it looks kind of like a little bird's nest in a way. So got me a little idea for something maybe later. But anyhow, after I did that, I just got some greenery. You can get this from the Dollar Tree, and you want to place it around your wreath, going in the same direction. And I just trimmed it off and stuck the pieces of the greenery inside of the wreath without, like, I don't know, I didn't want to have like hot glue everywhere, so I just worked them in there that way because I didn't know if I'd be using it later, what I would be doing. So I just kept doing that until I got all the way around the wreath. Once I was all the way around it, it looked like this, and I was pretty pleased with it. And so then I got these lemons. You get them from the Dollar Tree. They're $1 a piece, which is a little pricey considering you can get packages on Amazon for way cheaper. But go ahead and grab you some lemons. I only needed 3. And then I just hot glued them on there, sort of wherever I thought they looked good. I tried to space them out a pretty good space, and made sure that they were stuck down good and that the leaves that that's stuck to were also stuck to the wreath. So I ended up putting hot glue everywhere anyway, so I kind of defeated the purpose by sticking them in there. I could have just hot glued them on there because I ended up doing it anyhow. So after I got the lemons on, I thought I wanted to make a bow. Now, I'm no professional at all in making bows. I pretty much suck at it, honestly. But I attempted to make one anyhow. I just folded them over until I thought that I would have so many loops on whatever side. And then I set it to the side and I did it again. Now, this ribbon that I have, it came from Walmart around Christmas time. This ribbon I actually got from a boutique store. I don't know where to tell you to get it, but I love the bumblebee stuff right now. I think it's really pretty with the buffalo check and the lemons. I just like it all together, so I'm just combining all of those together because I thought they were really pretty. So then I just tied it, the bottom one, with a piece of lace, and I only used the piece of lace because it was really thin and it worked really good. You can use whatever you want. You can hot glue it, you can use a pipe cleaner, you can use floral wire, whatever suits your fancy. But I just used what I had, and that piece of lace worked really good because it's really thin and it allowed it to bunch together very closely on the inside. Now, Like I said, I suck at bows, but this is my attempt, and so I fluffed it out. Really, fluffing your bow gives it its body, and so it's best to just fluff your bow after you get it on, but fluff it just a little bit to see. And then I just put little notches in that one because the wire in that one would kind of make it a little harder to tie down, where it was not as thick. And then I just tied it on there too, and did a whole bunch more fluffing. And then I cut the tails off because I didn't want them sticking out. I didn't like the way they looked. And then I went ahead after I did all this and stuck it on there. And I thought the middle looked naked, so I got this sunflower, which, again, I like the sunflowers, the bees, the buffalo check, the lemons. I love it all. I think it's so pretty, and I just thought, well, let's throw it all on one wreath. So that's what I did. After I got this wreath made, I thought it was so stinking cute. I didn't know I was going to love it that much, but I loved it. Then I just got these terracotta pots from Dollar Tree. You get 3 for $1. It's pretty cheap. I've actually dropped these, and one of my pots is cracked all the way down the middle, but I just went with it anyway. And so what I did here, I had to slap about 3 coats of yellow on there. That apple barrel paint sucks. A lot of people like it, but I really don't prefer it. It's just too thin, and it takes all day, and I have zero patience. But anyway, that's beside the point. And then I took the ink chalk paint and went around the top, because I thought, well, let's just keep the bumblebee and gingham or buffalo check style going, and that's what I did. And then after I got it painted, I just threw some greenery in. For this one, I just had this little Easter box left over. You can find these at the Dollar Tree all day long, not with Easter on them, but they usually have some kind of little design on them. It's just little boxes, and all I did was paint the front of it white, and I printed out a little picture that I wanted, and I distressed it before I put the picture on it because I didn't want to have to try to distress around the picture, so that's why I went ahead and distressed it. The picture will blend in really well with the distress anyway, the one that I chose, so it's not gonna matter that I distressed it beforehand, because to me, I was afraid if I started distressing it after, I would just totally ruin the picture. So it's just best for me to distress the block before I put the picture on it. Now for the picture, I just went to Google, I typed in farmhouse lemon picture, found what I wanted, and I printed it off. Then I cut it out, and there's my picture. I thought it was so cute. I loved it. It's a little yellow truck. It's so cute with lemons and buffalo, and it's everything I ever wanted. So then I just took Mod Podge, put it on there. I'm not that great with Mod Podge. It sometimes bubbles on me, fills up, blah blah blah. But it turned out looking okay. I did have to go under it again just because it was trying to peel up. So I just stuck it back down. And then here, I obviously cut the scene out. I don't know what I did, but I just took a yellow candle, printed off a little image, stuck it on there with Mod Podge just to make the candle match with my decor. And it looked really cute, and I don't know what I did wrong with recording it. So here's the end result. I pretty much am obsessed with the way it turned out. I'm glad you all watched. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and happy crafting, y'all.